How to fix the issue of your PC did not start correctly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, when you see this screen, you can see two options, restart and advanced option. Simply click on restart. Even after that, if your issue is not solved, then after you need to go to advanced option, then go to troubleshoot, again go to advanced option and go to startup repair. The repairing will begin and you will be able to fix your issue. If you are still stuck in this setting, you simply need to go to advanced option and now you need to click on system restore. After these steps, you will be able to fix your issue of your PC did not start correctly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.